Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you why and how to use Debounce in your project. I'm using one of my favorite demo setups, Demo Projects HQ. And for this example, we're working on the projects page. I chose this page because the filter button doesn't actually do anything yet. I also have the Dev Tools panel open, so you can see exactly what happens behind the scenes when a filter is used. To give the filter button real functionality, I added a collapse region. Inside it, there are two filters, a drop-down for project status, and a search box that filters by client name. Now watch what happens when we use these filters. Every click, every letter typed, creates a new request to the server. You can see the list in DevTools growing with each action. Let me refresh the page so we can follow it clearly. As I type each letter, you'll see a new request fire off. One letter, one request, another letter, another request. This creates unnecessary network traffic and extra load. And this is exactly where Debounce becomes important. Debounce waits until the user stops typing before sending the request. Instead of 10 rapid calls, we send just one. Clean, efficient, and much easier on your server. Alright, let's take a look at how to set it up. First, we select the search input field and duplicate it. We'll use the original input as a hidden input. Because it's hidden, it doesn't need any styling. So we remove the class values. And we also delete the placeholder. Next, we select the second input, the visible one. Scroll down to Dynamic Events. Under Data, choose Value Changed. For the action, we set the value of our hidden input to match the value of the search input. This means the hidden field receives the final, debounced value. Finally, we set the debounce value to 500. That's half a second. Just enough time for the user to pause before the request is sent. And that's it. We're done. Testing this in the browser. You'll see that only one server transaction takes place. No more rapid-fire requests. A clean win-win. Hopefully this helps you in your own projects. And remember, Debounce can be used in far more places than just a search input. You can use it for drop-down filters, range sliders, live validation, and anywhere you want to reduce unnecessary server calls. Thank you for watching.